Welcome to Athens, Greece. This is a gritty and very real city, amazing for street photos. I'm in a market right now. I just want to encourage you with this little video about how to take advantage of direct sunlight at noon when the sun is really harsh on the people's faces. Let's go through a little demo and I'll show you what I like to do. Okay, so here's the photo I just took, and as you can see, it's really high contrast. It was such a strong noontime ray of light. And this works really well because whenever we're doing street photography, we like to take advantage of high contrast. Now, what I would like to do is show you how I would edit this photo. I'm just using iOS Photos app in my iPhone. And let's go to Edit. Let's go to Crop. Now, because I kind of want to isolate the two faces that I captured, I'm going to do some extensive cropping. Now you may say, well, this is really, you're cropping really heavily. That's true. However, I'm not really concerned about losing resolution. I'm only concerned about drama. That's all I care about. So, and another thing is I don't delete anything in my street photos. It's a personal rule. So this is what I'm going to end up with. Yes, it's a small picture, but I think it's really interesting. So the next thing, I'm going to go to black and white. So down at the bottom, I'm just going to go to black and white. And interestingly, I usually do my black and whites in Lightroom or another dedicated black and white app. However, for a quick job, if you just scroll up and down, you can actually judge and choose the amount of brightness on the skin that you want. For example, I think that this is a little bit too bright. This is a good happy medium. This is too dark. So I'm going to go right about here, and I'm going to press done. And here's the picture. You know, I feel this is a really dynamic shot, and I'm really happy with it. The contrast between the young woman and the old man, they're going in different directions, and I think it's a little bit of an abstract, obscure image, which I really like. Just to recap, always look for the markets, and especially don't shy away from photographing when it's really harsh light, around noontime. Make sure that you underexpose your picture. That's critical, because we don't want the skin tone, like on this man or the woman, to be what's called blown out, meaning too bright. Okay, so I hope you got a lot out of that. And also, markhemmings.com, I'm offering free photography lessons now through Lightmob. This is a new app. It's a really great app for teaching workshops remotely. That's through an app. Yes, it's possible. So I'm giving away 15-minute sessions free. So all you need to do is go to markhemmings.com, and you're going to see a link that says Lightroom Photo and Editing Workshops. And that will take you to the Lightmob page that's specific to me. And you'll be able to see the 15-minute free lessons with Mark Hemmings. I totally encourage you to take advantage of it. Okay, have a great day. See you next video.